Hello friends, good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel, Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher education, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss Mobius transformation and its applications. Now, applications of Mobius transformation or bilinear transformation. Problem first. Find the Mobius transformation which maps the points z equal 0 minus 1 comma I onto w equal 1 comma 0 comma infinity full stop. Also find the image. Also find the image of the unit circle z modulus equal to 1. Now solution. The Mobius transformation mapping z equal 0 minus 1 I into w equal I comma 0 comma infinity. Respectively is w minus w1 to w2 minus w3 upon w1 minus w2 into w3 minus w equal z minus z1 z2 minus z3 z1 minus z2 z3 minus z. Now we consider z1 is equal to 0, z2 is equal to minus 1, z3 is equal to I. Similarly, image of values of z with respect to in w plane. Now w1 equal I, w2 is equal to 0, w3 is equal to infinity. Now putting the value of w's and z's. Now w minus w1, that is I, w2 0 minus w3. Now w3 equal to infinity. After solving w3, we put value of w3 equal to infinity. Now z minus z1 0, z2 minus 1, z3 I, z1 0 minus plus 1, z3 I minus z. Now w1 I minus w2 0, w3 not value w3. Now here w3 only. minus W. Minus W minus I, W3 as it. Now I, now taking W3 common. Now W3 cancel by W3, 1 minus W upon W3. Now this minus cancel, Z into 1 plus I upon I minus Z. Minus cancel this minus. Now W3 is equal to infinity, then W upon W3 is always 0. W minus I upon 1 minus 0. Now I multiplied in this side. This is equal to Z I minus 1 upon I minus Z. Now W minus I equal Z into I minus 1 upon I minus Z. This is equal to W is equal to I plus Z I minus Z upon I minus Z. Now taking LCM, I minus Z minus 1 minus IZ plus IZ minus Z. This is cancel this. Now Z plus 1 upon Z minus I. That is W is equal to Z plus 1 upon Z minus I, which is required Mobius transformation. Which is required Mobius transformation. Now solving, then we get WZ minus IW, this is equal to Z plus 1. Now Z equal to IW plus 1 upon W minus 1. Now to calculate the image of unit circle whose center 0, radius 1. Now Z modulus is equal to 1. Now putting the value of Z, IW plus 1 upon W minus 1 modulus, this is equal to 1. Now taking I common, to W minus I modulus upon W minus 1 modulus, this is equal to 1. The modulus of I always plus 1. Therefore, W minus I modulus is equal to W minus 1 modulus. Both are squaring. U plus IV minus I. Now putting the value of W both sides. Therefore, U square plus V minus 1 square equal to U minus 1 square plus V square. U square plus V square plus 1 minus 2V. U square plus 1 minus 2U plus V square. Now U square V square both are cancelled. 1 cancel by 1. Now 2 common, V minus U is equal to 0. 2 is not 0, then V is equal to U. That is the image of unit circle. That is the image of unit circle z modulus is equal to 1 in z plane is a straight line making an angle pi by 4, that is 45, with u axis and passing through origin in W plane. Now repeat. The image of unit circle in Z plane is a straight line making an angle 45 with u axis and passing through origin in W plane. This is the required answer. That is the image of unit circle in Z plane. Now next problem. Problem 2. Determine the Mobius transformation. Transformation which maps the points z equal 1 I minus 1 into the points w equal to I comma 0 minus I. Hence find the image of z modulus less or equal to 1. This is the equation of circle O center 0 and radius 1. Now z modulus less or equal to 1, that is interior area of the unit circle. Answer, we have W minus W1, W2 minus W3, W1 minus W2, W3 minus W equal to Z minus Z1, Z2 minus Z3 upon Z1 minus Z2 or Z3 minus Z. Similarly, we let Z1 is equal to 1, Z2 is equal to I, Z3 is equal to minus 1, mapped into points in W plane. Say W1 is equal to I, W2 is equal to 0, now W3 is equal to minus I. Now putting the value of Z1, Z2, Z3, W1, W2, W3. Now W is at as now W1 I, W2 0, W3 I, W1 I minus W2 0, W3 minus I minus W, Z minus Z1, Z2 I, Z3, value of Z3 minus 1. Now Z1 1, Z2, Z3 minus 1 minus Z. Now I cancel by I, W minus I upon minus W plus I, this is equal to, now minus common, 1 plus Z, 1 minus I, this is equal to z minus 1 plus I. Now minus cancel both sides. Then we can write 1 plus I into z minus 1 plus I upon 1 minus I into z plus 1 minus I. Now we can apply C and D rule. C and D rule, that is componendo and dividendo rule. Now by C and D, W plus I plus W minus I upon W plus I minus W plus I. Now W cancel by this, I cancel by I. Similarly in this, 1 minus I into z plus 1 minus I plus 1 plus I into z minus 1 minus I. Similarly in denominator, 1 minus I into z plus 1 minus I minus 1 plus I into z minus minus plus. Now 2w upon 2I, that is 2 cancel by 2. Here we get Iz cancel by Iz and 1 cancel by 1. Now 1z, that is 1z, that is 2z. Now minus I minus 2I. Similarly minus z plus z cancel, Iz minus 2I z, that is I cancel by this I, 1 1 2, that is z minus I upon minus Iz plus 1. Now W upon I equal z minus I upon minus I common, z minus I common, z plus I. Now I cancel by I. That is W is equal to I minus z upon I plus z, which is required transformation. Which is required transformation. Now by cross multiplication we get z is equal to minus I W minus 1 upon W plus 1. Now image of interior of unit circle area for image z modulus lesser 1. Now minus I W minus 1 upon W plus 1 modulus lesser 1. Now W minus 1 square W plus 1 square. Now U plus IV minus 1 square lesser U plus IV plus 1 square, that is U minus 1 whole square plus V square, U plus 1 whole square plus V square. Now U square plus 1 minus 2U plus V square lesser U square plus 1 plus 2U plus V square. Now U square V square both are cancelled, 1 cancel by 1. Now 4U lesser 0, that is U greater than 0. Hence the interior interior of the circle z modulus is equal to 1 in z plane is mapped into the entire means region, entire half of the W plane to right of the imaginary axis, to right of the imaginary axis. Now we can explain with the help of figure. This is the O, this is equal to 1 1 1. Now unit circle z modulus less or equal to 1, that is area, interior area of the circle. Now transform in W plane, U axis, V axis, minus U minus V. Now U is greater than 0, that is U is greater than 0, that is the entire half of the W plane of right hand of the imaginary axis. Now we can draw, this is the area, U greater than 0. This is the complete solution. Next problem third. Prove that in general in the bilinear transformation W is equal to AZ plus B upon CZ plus D. There are two values of Z. Two values of Z invariant points for which W equal to Z, but there is only one if A minus D whole square plus 4BC equal to 0, so that if there are distinct variant, distinct invariant points P and Q, the transformations may be put in the form, W minus P upon W minus Q equal to K into Z minus P upon Z minus Q. And if there is only one invariant, invariant point P, the transformation may be put in the form one upon W minus P equal 1 upon Z minus P plus constant K. Okay, student. Now, solution of this. The bilinear transformation is W equal to AZ plus B upon CZ plus B. If W is equal to Z, then CZ square plus DZ minus AZ plus B equal to 0. That is CZ square plus D minus A into Z plus minus B equal to 0. This is quadratic equation in Z. Let P and Q be the roots of them. Above equation. Then say P is equal to A minus D plus under root A minus D whole square plus 4BC upon 2C. Say Q is equal to A minus D minus under root A minus D whole square plus 4BC upon 2C. Now formula is P is equal to minus B, say X is equal to minus B plus minus under root B square minus 4ABC upon 4AC upon 2A. Now it is plus, here is minus. Thus P and Q are expressed above are the two invariant. Two invariant points of the transformation. They reduce to if they reduce to 1 if according to the question they reduce to 1 if A minus D whole square plus 4BC is equal to 0, and then P is equal to Q is equal to A minus D upon 2C. That is, we calculate D is equal to A minus 2PC. Use the value of D anywhere. When P and Q are distinct points, we have Cp square plus D minus A P minus B implies that B minus PD is equal to Cp square minus AP. Now putting the value of Z here in P. Now in next equation, by putting Z is equal to Q, then we get Cq square plus D minus A into Q minus B. Then D minus B minus dq is equal to Cq square minus AQ. Now represented by equation number first. Now equation number first is, we have equation number first. This is equation number second. Now W minus P upon W minus Q. Now putting the value of W here, AZ plus B upon CZ plus D minus P. Similarly here, AZ plus B upon CZ plus D minus Q. Now taking LCM to LCM cancel. Now we get AZ plus B minus PCZ minus PD. Similarly AZ plus B minus CQZ minus DQ. Now W minus P upon W minus Q equal to A minus PC into Z plus B minus PD. Now A minus CQ into Z B minus DQ. Now putting the B minus PD and B minus DQ here, then we get A minus PCZ plus CP square minus AQ AP A minus CQ Z as it. Now CQ square AQ therefore A minus PCZ minus P common, A minus PC. Similarly A minus CQ Z as it, Q common, A minus CQ is equal to A minus PC Z minus P. Similarly A minus CQ Z minus Q. Now W minus P upon W minus Q, this is equal to K Z minus P upon Z minus Q. We have K equal to A minus PC upon A minus CQ. Now this is the first proof. Now when there is only one invariant, there is only one invariant, point P. Now take 1 upon W minus P is equal to 1 upon putting the value of W AZ plus B upon CZ plus D minus P. Now this is equal to CZ plus D upon AZ plus B minus PCZ minus DP. This is equal to, now putting the value of D from equation number first, A minus 2PC plus CZ upon A minus PCZ plus B minus PD. Now A minus CP into Z minus P into C upon A minus PCZ. Now putting the value of this, CP square minus AP, A minus PC plus C into Z minus P upon A minus PCZ. Now minus common, P common, A minus PC. Now A minus PC common, A minus PC plus C Z minus P upon A minus PC into Z minus P. Now this is equal to 1 upon Z minus P plus C upon A minus PC. Now take that is 1 upon W of minus P is equal to 1 upon Z minus P plus constant we have K is equal to C upon A minus PC. This is the second part. This is a complete solution.